Hi guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a super quick Luvmehair wig install. This is a throw on and go wig. I gotta go to a party, I'm already late. Let me show you guys how I installed this super quick wig.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So we're back with a wig install from Luvmehair. It's the holidays and I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking for a quick, fast, easy install because I don't like to go to sleep in my wig. If you've never given the gift of a Luvmehair wig, this is what the box would come looking like. I'm sure your loved one would be absolutely thrilled. Like I'm just saying. You got your wig. They always give you some kind of goodies. So this time they gave us a edges brush, a melt belt, and out of the pack, this is what the curls look like. The hair did not come pre-bleached, as you guys can see. It does have 4 combs and an adjustable strap, which I absolutely love. And the hairline is beautiful. So let's just put this bad boy in. Ooh, I should have bleached the knots. Ooh, but this is gonna be cute. Like, look at how it already fits on the hair. Okay, I think I wanna do like a side part because I don't really wanna do too much. It's just a holiday party, but we're gonna look cute. Let's cut the lace off. So when I cut, I like to cut, it's cutting a few slips. So I slip one here, I slip one here, and I also will slip one here. So I'm gonna go in with this jdevinci, which is a pomade, just to put it on my knots because the knots are not bleached and I need to bleach the knot. Okay, so we're just going to dab this all over. And a little goes a long way. Okay, so just by adding that pomade, it makes it appear like the knots are bleached. Even the size small fits really good. And we're gonna just bring it down, our hairline. The hairline already looks really good. We're gonna do, let's see. We could either do side part. Side part would be cute. Here's to the other side. Middle part is always just so classic because I don't want to glue it down. We could just show our super vibrant part. So yeah, we're gonna have to see how we want to wear the hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like with no product. I think it's super cute. You do have the parting space to part wherever you want to, but we're gonna add a little mousse, just a pequeño. So I'm gonna go in with my curl refresher. This stuff is really nice. I don't know who broke this. So I gotta open it up and use it like water. Cause someone, I don't know who, my husband, broke it. So we're gonna just add the curl refresher, refresh these curls, and boom, now we're ready for the party. This wig took me 3 minutes to install, and I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. I love the curl pattern. I really didn't do much. I didn't bleach the knots. So for anyone looking for a super quick throw on and go wig that's actually comfortable, curls are bomb. They're not gonna get tangled because this isn't like a kinky curly texture. This is like a water wave, and it's my favorite texture ever. Luvmehair does it for me every time. If you haven't already ordered, I think you guys would absolutely love it. They've got a bunch of coupon codes and discounts if you guys want to. And yeah, happy holidays. See you guys later. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.